morning, everyone. So day one here in Siquijor. Our first adventure is the Kamugahai Falls. But first thing first, we need to get to fill our stomach full. So we have to get some food, and this is what we got. This is the restaurant in Kamugahai, just up before the stairs going down to the waterfalls. Oh, so they have pusit. It's squid and little hot dog. I don't know what is that. I don't know. And there is a boiled egg, fried egg, and what this is? Humba. It's fats. Mangoes, banana. Oh, menudo. Pork menudo. Bitter melon. God. And there's noodles. Chicken curry. And fried chicken. Oh, that's a really big chicken. So that's it, guys. And at my back, like there is also the stairs all the way down to the waterfalls. So yes, that's it. What else are we getting? Okay. Hello, day one adventure here in Siquijor. So we're having breakfast. So it's like breakfast and lunch. So it's brunch. We need to fill up our tummy, guys, before everything else will happen. So bon appetit. So we're finally here at Kamugahai Falls, and their entrance is only 50 pesos each person. So we're gonna go to the stairs now. It's a stairways in heaven. 135 steps. Stairways in heaven, guys. Going down, down, and down. So we are already here down in Waterfalls, Kamugahai, and they also have included here. They have also life vest for those people who doesn't know how to swim. So there's no worry about it. How much? 100. Excuse me. So yeah, it's 100 pesos for the life vest. No limitation, and you can also swing around here. You can just swing here, guys. I think you have to pay for the swing. First swing, I think. Kuya, may bayad yung swing. Pila? 20 pesos for the swing. Limited swing. So it's actually nice. And there's also like a bamboo raft there. You can do some pictures and someone will do the picture taking for you. I guess you have to only give tips, so why not? Then you'll get a good pictures after. There you go. Cute. Yeah, you have to pay, but it's unlimited. 20 pesos, I think. Okay. You don't need a swing. You can just jump. Atay, bilat. The struggles is real. But damn. This is nice. I wish I could do the drone shot. I brought the drone with me, but I don't know where I will land it. So the struggles is fucking real, guys. Hopefully I won't sleep. My God. So this is what they call ferry walk here in Kamugahai. So have you guys seen there's a lot of people here. Also on a waiting line. I don't know if they're on waiting line, but the swing, I can't reach that part. I don't know if it's also deep once you fall. I don't know if it's deep, if I can manage that because I don't know how to swim. And yeah, there's a lot of people, guys. But I want to try. I'm not prepared. I didn't bring a long dress. So it would be, long dress is also good props when you do the ferry walk. But anyway, I guess I have to just wear bikini I hope I can do it without any problem of reaching the swing. Alright guys, catch you later and I'll watch more of the videos. So see you. So that's the price for the ferry walk. Are you ready? Are you excited?
Mukha ko yan, Tip. Punyeta ka talaga.
To be nalaan, Coris. So I asked how deep it is in there because you know I'm worried about my height. Because what if I fall, I drop, and then I can't reach the bottom? And so it's only 4 feet, and also it's a bit high for me. There it's high, but they can adjust it for me. So alright, very excited to do it. Okay, so we done already the ferry walk, and first try never fell, so it's actually nice, but the video seems like a bit blurry and I wanted to have a better shots, so we will gonna do it again, and of course we have to pay another extra 50 pesos, but you can do it like three times, and then yeah, I hope this would be perfect shots for the video. So I wasn't looking at the camera. I want something like I'll be looking and then one hand on the swing. So I wanna achieve that one. So yeah, this is our outfit, my outfit, bikini outfit for today. So, and that's my friend Tisai, unprepared with not wearing bikini at all. So why is that?
Because my tummy is big.
She's conservative. Someone just fall. Okay. Ikatawi dia. So anyway. Guys, update. So our time in Kamugahai Falls is finally done, and we did have fun, but unfortunately there's some accident that my fault that it happened, and we are now on the way to help. So have this exercise here at the stairs with this fucking hi. I hate this. I hate taking steps. I hate stairs. But yeah, it's quite good exercise for your legs because I haven't done any workout today.
I need to check every minute.
This is good exercise so far. And next stop, we'll be going to Balete fish spa. So see you guys. I'm catching my breath, taking it slow. I feel like a sick lady.
2 days na to na gym tea.
Unfortunately, what happened earlier was my fault, and then I fucked up my drone.
R.I.P.
It's swimming on the falls.
God.
It's okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna get a drink, water, beverage, anything. Hi. Water. It's got water. We're here in our second stop, which is called Balete Tree, where there's also a fish spa. How much po yung entrance, ate? 20 per person. Nice. Unlimited. Joke. There you go. I saw it. And there's also have some delicacies here. No, it's a snack. So, torta, peanuts, and they have a souvenir shops in there. Also, there's a restaurant upstairs, which is also good portion of their food. Also, really good food. I had a halo-halo. I forgot to take a video of that. And there's another one. Souvenirs here. It's pretty. So let's go in. Let's go inside. So this is what they call Balete tree, because it's the big tree. And then, bakit? Ang kilutingan yan. Oh my god, their mouth is quite big, baby. When they're trying to bite your dead skin, it's like it's really. That one is a cute one, cutie one. There's a lot of fish over there. Come on, suck me, fishy. Sucky licking. Oh my god! 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 Hello everyone, so update, we're having a dinner here at Tipsy Bar, and this is my dinner date today. Say hi. 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 So what are you ordering, Tisay?
I want to try the chicken inasal.
Chicken inasal, the Filipino food. Okay, so I'm still choosing. And we're going to, I have to do some live soon, so I need an internet connection. And I saw the Wi-Fi password here, and that's very naughty one here, screaming orgasm. 69, anyone wants?
Send mo nga to sa akin.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna choose some food
Wala
now.
ko dyan. Ay, drop mo ba?
And
Value.
update you guys later.
Tayo.
Hello everyone, update. So these are the food we ordered, and this is my food, beef salpicao with the veggies on it. My friend ordered as well sushi, grilled pork belly, and mang inasal, chicken grilled chicken. So this is the place. It's actually nice. Look at that. See? It's very artistic. I like the chandelier they put up in here. It's cutie. Just like us. Guys. Video. Hi. My dinner date today. So, bon appetit everyone.
Hi, I'm hungry.
Okay.
Hi, Rochelle. How are you? Hi. Bombshell. Filipino Bombshell. Oscar Diamond family. What up, guys?
Yucky. I hate it. I hate tequila. Not again. But you love me. Ang galing. Naman yan.
Grande,